RailFanX welcomes you to join us as we chase Western New York and Pennsylvania Railroad number 6003 from Springdale to Monett, Missouri. It is a cold and rainy morning in Springdale as the crews of the Monett Turn start their day. We catch number 42, an ex-Ohio Central C420, waiting for its crew on duty. We are here to feast our eyes on this beautiful AC-46AH refurbished and painted for the Western New York and Pennsylvania Railroad. Progress Rail took these ex-CSX AC-6000s and refurbished them here in the A&M's engine facility. The Monett Turn couples the AC-46AH and will head to Newlyweds to pick up their train. Newlyweds is an industrial park that serves a variety of businesses for the railroad. The Fort Smith Turn takes cars from the UP and KCS and brings them here to Newlyweds. Then the Monett Turn takes over and brings them north to Monett, Missouri for the BNSF. The WNYP will be dropped off in Monett and will go northeast to Orleans, New York. After adding cars from the Springdale yard, the turn heads north through Fayetteville. The train added flat cars with a load of rail bound for Butterfield, Missouri. They will be used for the expansion at the Cargill Foods feed mill. We get ahead of the train and see number 32 working one of the industries dropping off sand in Rogers, Arkansas. Number 32 clears off the main line as the Monett Turn highballs through town. We hope you enjoyed this video. All of our footage was taken on public property. The Arkansas and Missouri Railroad's #1 priority is safety. When rail fanning, make sure you're not trespassing on private property and railroad property. Be aware of your surroundings and be cautious being near the railroad. It is always a good idea to contact the railroad to notify them you are around, documenting their employees and equipment. You may even receive a wave and smile from the crews passing by. Stay tuned for more RailFanX videos coming to you soon. Thank you for watching and happy rail fanning.